The $$ extension identifies a temporary file created by various applications during processing operations as interim data storage. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you identify, manage, or safely clean up these temporary files. My experience tells me that some $$ files require a professional bypass technique. I'll walk you through that secret method once the standard troubleshooting is complete. Files are temporary files created by various software applications during processing operations. They store interim data, including unsaved document changes, processing buffers, and temporary computation results that should be deleted when the creating application closes normally. Files have no standardized format, as their contents depend entirely on the creating application. They may contain partial documents, cached data application, state information, or processing buffers. Common creators include word processors, database applications, and installation programs. The $$ format operates under the official standard set by Microsoft Windows from Microsoft Corporation. Windows might mistakenly flag the file as corrupt without specialized context. Windows shows minimal content to protect users from altering important system components. We're checking for file recognition by all compatible apps. Right-click your file and click Open With. If Microsoft Windows is an option, try it. If it fails, select another program. We must find the right software association. If the $ file won't open, don't panic. The highly specific nature of the $$ file means general fixes are useless. Let's quickly verify these essential items before we dive into the repair. First, identifying the source. Check the $$ file's location and creation date to identify which application created it. Files in application directories relate to that software. Files in temp directories are general temporary data. Open in a text editor to inspect for readable content clues. Next, safe deletion. Close all applications, then delete $$ files from temporary directories. Use Windows Disk Cleanup by running cleanmgr to safely remove temporary files system-wide. Avoid deleting $$ files while their creating application is still running to prevent data loss. Finally, recovering data. If a $$ file was created by a crashed application, it may contain unsaved work. Open in a text editor or hex editor to inspect contents. Rename with an appropriate extension based on identified content. Some applications automatically recover from $$ files on next launch. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.